We continue our look now at the impact of the fire at the Riverton dump.
Motorists were also affected. TVJ's Anthony Lugg visited the area today and filed this report.
From inside the Riverton community, things seem calm. But from the outside, it looks like this. Firefighters and heavy-duty equipment have been busy since 3 Sunday afternoon attempting to put out yet another blaze at the Riverton dump. When our news team visited the area, thick black smoke enveloped the air, triggering concerns from passing motorists. In the midst of it all, this man exits the dump with several items on his head, while 2 ladies dig through a pile of clothing. On Monday morning, things weren't much different. Garbage trucks were making their way in and out of the dump. We tried to get a comment from residents, but they were tight-lipped. We then traveled to Tire Warehouse along Spanish Town Road. The owners are breathing a sigh of relief this time around as the smoke is blowing in the opposite direction. Still, workers were equipped with dust masks. ROHAN White says the smoke nuisance is becoming unbearable.
I really don't know what goes on the dump, but what I can say, we need some structure to how we do our operate. You know, it's affecting those on this corridor. It's not necessarily good for business because we have people coming here buying tires that we also know in terms have to look out for. You know, we can't have customers out here. We have to safeguard them too by giving them dust marks or letting them stay on the inside.
Our next stop, MANDELA Highway, which is just a stone's throw away.
Now, as you can see, the smoke from the Riverton disposal site has made its way all the way onto the MANDELA Highway. Motorists using the roadway have to do so with caution.
I can see still, but I just turn on my main light still so everybody can see me come. Because I see through this unit is so big.
It might have been a difficult task for those driving through the smoke, but it's worse for those working along the MANDELA Highway, like this tractor driver.
I feel like I go park and go home because this affect me body. You can't see it.
Environmentalists have long blasted the government for its handling of the frequent dump fires, insisting it's due to poor management. We put that issue to local government minister Desmond McKenzie.
There's a question of management right across our landfills. We have been working on it. We have made attempts to improve it and we have seen improvements. But we still continue to be affected by issues such as the one that we have been experiencing over the last couple of weeks.
But for this truck driver, things may never change.
No authority there. They think them authority, but them not. Because if something happens so often, I have authority. So that means none of that.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.